Alde is a wet central heating system. The tank for the heating is located in the wardrobe. It's rare that you would need to touch this, but should you need to, this tank is where you would top up the Alde antifreeze liquid. To activate the Alde system, tap the On button, and the touchscreen control panel lights up and shows the room temperature. To review or amend any settings, press the menu button. To adjust the temperature, use the plus and minus controls at the top. The optimal temperature tends to be around 20 or 21 degrees. The second control allows you to set the temperature of the hot water using 2 incremental settings. The final 2 controls allow you to select your power source between mains electric, gas, or both. If you're hooked up to mains electric, click the plus button and choose between 1, 2, or 3 kilowatts of power, depending on how much you need. A higher kilowatt will heat to a hotter temperature more quickly. To reduce the output of heat, select a lower kilowatt. If you want to run on gas, simply tap the button to turn on or off. There's no incremental power adjustments for gas. If you want to run both, simply select both options. You can also control a number of other operations on the Alde control panel. To access these settings, tap the Settings button. The moon icon enables you to set and amend night settings for an overnight ambient temperature. You can also choose the time that night mode is activated and deactivated. The sun button is day mode, allowing you to set your ambient day temperature. The Pro mode allows you to prioritize between gas and mains electric use. The next button is the settings of the control panel itself. You can choose how long you want the standby light to be activated for, as well as adjust the brightness of the screen. The clock button allows you to set the date and time. Click the Show button if you want this to be displayed on the main menu. There may be some settings that appear inactive. These are dependent on what you have connected. For example, if you add air conditioning, then the respective button will become active. To turn off the main heating or hot water, click the Standby button. You can also use Swift Command to manage your heating and hot water. For more details, see the dedicated Swift Command video.